You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight.
So I just started to do a couple of things, and I just took the camera out because I remembered that I wanted to film this. But basically, there's these 2 doors, and we have 3 pull-out drawers, and then a bottom shelf. So I'm not sure if we're going to keep all of these bins here. This bin has his socks and underwear, this is empty, and this has dirty shirts. I knew one of them I wanted to keep, or at least I think would probably be helpful to keep for his shirts that he likes to get dry cleaned, which is basically all of his dress shirts. So that's where these are at the moment. I'm not quite sure what we're gonna do with this. Kind of feels like a waste of space. I don't know, we'll have to figure it out. He doesn't have a ton of clothing, so I feel like we could still make it work. But I think as far as what we're going to hang up, definitely his work shirts and pants. And then I think his golf shirts, and then t-shirts. I'm just starting to, I was just washing all the clothes. For t-shirts, I'm just going to fold them, and workout shorts will go in the drawers. So I just figured I would share this with you guys. I hope you enjoy, and this gives you some motivation to get your closet, maybe your fiance's closet, your boyfriend's closet, your husband's closet in order if it's not really his thing. Helps every morning go a little bit smoother when you can find everything. So I'll go ahead and get started, and I hope you guys enjoy this video.
Call it off, let it go, all for nothing. I should have known. I've made mistakes, crashed and burned, so many chances, no time to learn. I need to find another way to make things right. I won't be coming back again a second time. Can't take it back, everything you've done. You know youth is wasted on the young. We still don't know where we belong. Time will tell us where we went wrong. You know youth is wasted on the young. On the young. Setting off, time to go, and just running, we're on our own. Running on an endless road, reaching for something we used to know. If I had another chance, I'd make things right. I see the light behind your eyes is fading now. Can't take it back, everything you've done. You know youth is wasted on the young. We still don't know.
Okay guys, here is the finished look. So basically what I did is put the dress shirts all along the side. They are still on the wire hangers. You guys know that I hate wire hangers, but it's just practical, I guess. He likes them, and that's what they come back on when he gets them from the dry cleaners. And then in the middle, we have all the pants, t-shirts from short sleeve to long sleeve, golf shirts, and then coats. And then that is socks and underwear that needs to be organized in some way. This is the hamper for now, and then this is the hamper for things that need to go to the dry cleaners. And then in here, he's just keeping his little things for his shoes. And then I want to get some extra hooks to put on the door for all of his hats. He has quite a few more hats that are not here right now, but I figured it would be nice to have those displayed. His ties are also in that bin, so I was thinking about getting a tie organizer, ones that like it's basically like on a hanger and then they hang down. So I'm gonna get one of those maybe on Amazon. And then in the drawers, basically this drawer is all athletic wear, shorts, t-shirts, and then this drawer is just shorts and sweatpants. Then all his shoes are on the bottom. It's not the perfect system, but that's just all the room that we have. And then his belts are right here. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video of organizing this closet. I really do like this closet system. I really do like having the pull-out drawers. I will do a closet tour of my closet and an organization. You can take a sneak peek in it of it if you watch our home tour video. I'll link that up in a card right here and link it down below. But yeah, you can get a sneak peek as to what my closet looks like. It's set up the same as this. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
What we can be, life with no distractions, we'll get away. This is what we waited